Cessna November 414 Juliet Papa. To Claremont Airport traffic. 414 Juliet Papa. Departing Claremont to the west. Cessna November 141 Juliet Papa. To Boston Center. Departing Claremont Airport to the west. 414 Juliet Papa is climbing through 2,500 for 7,500 on course 2 Kilo Oscar Quebec uniform. 414 Juliet Papa is type Cessna 414. Boston Center to Cessna November 414 Juliet Papa. Roger. Radar contact 19 miles west of Kilo Charlie November Hotel. Flight level 5,500. Juliet Papa, continue your climb to 7,500. Proceed on course 2 Kilo Oscar Quebec uniform. Squawk 1200. Cessna November 141 Juliet Papa. To Boston Center. Roger. Climb and maintain 7,500. Proceed on course 2 Kilo Oscar Quebec uniform. Squawk 1200.
Here, contact Boston on 128.7. You got that on 128. JetBlue 251 production flight, you want 34 for the 251, maintain follow 340, thank you. JetBlue 2469, contact Washington Center 127.7 today. 3 Alpha Delta, cross Gear Park 15,259. JetBlue 542, thanks for your help.
Boston Center to Cessna November 414 Juliet Papa. Juliet Papa, descend and maintain 2,500. Vector 2 heading 340. Contact Quonset approach on 123.675. Squawk 1200. Frequency change approved. Cessna November 141 Juliet Papa. To Boston Center. Roger. Descend and maintain 2,500. Vectors 2 heading 340. Contact Quonset approach on 123.675. Squawk 1200. Cessna November 141 Juliet Papa. To Quonset approach 2-3 miles west of Kilo Oscar Quebec uniform. Inbound to land.
Quonset approach to Cessna November 414 Juliet Papa. Roger. 414 Juliet Papa. Stand by. 414 Juliet Papa. Maintain present speed heading and altitude. Contact Quonset Tower on 126.35. Squawk 1200.
Cessna November 141 Juliet Papa. To Quonset Tower 1 miles west of North Kingstown with Zulu weather. Inbound to land.
Quonset Tower 2 November 414 Juliet Papa. Roger. Continue your approach inbound. Altimeter 2990. Clear to land. Runway 34.
Cessna November 141 Juliet Papa. To Quonset Tower. Roger. Altimeter 2990. Clear to land. Runway 34.
3458 Boston Center. Delta 3450 affirmative, your clear direct W. And who else is checking on, please? Triple 1891 Boston Center, Roger. Clear direct Snow Hill, maintain call 380. Delta 182, fly your present heading. Delta 2657, climb and maintain flight level 240. You know what, I'm going to need you to hold it. I got one guy that's coming in, he's just a little bit ahead of me, so just keep the speed now, please. JetBlue 542, kind of Boston Center 134.3 today. Here is 2832, climb maintain flight level 300. Delta 3458, contact Boston Center, here Center 125.9 today. JetBlue 251, I'm sorry, JetBlue 251, kind of Boston Center at 134.3, have a good day.